Hey, what's up, refinance holder? What's going on this time? About the refinance will get a 20.14% profit in last 7 days. Can you believe this, my friend? Absolutely, that is very good jump, my friend, and very good change occur in the price. So definitely, my friend, we will go to predicate this one, and also, my friends, do a technical analysis. And at the end, share opinion now. So please, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So this time, my friend, you can see the change occurring of refinance is going very good now. Last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, all change occurring positive now. But absolutely, my friend, you can see here this time when a price for fails down, so just only they were fails down for a short time. After a short dump, obviously, absolutely, it's 100% proof, my friends. So they will get a very huge pump. So therefore, I will notify you to please don't starting selling. Hold it. I am 100% sure they will make you a millionaire now, and they will give you a very good profit. And this time the market rank, you can see here 219, and market cap, you can see here 2 billion, and you can see here 24-hour volume as 34 million, my friend. So that's mean to everything is going very fastly upward now. So please hold it now, holders. Now I have one request from all of you to hold. I hope in upcoming days, my friends, they will give you very good profit. So why you will miss this chance? Tell me why you will miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. I hope they will make you millionaire now. See you next time, refinance holder. Please like this live streaming, like this video, and please, if you want to get a profit now, subscribe this channel, because the price is pumping up, so you will need to hold now. I hope refinance will make you a millionaire now. So my prediction is 100% positive. I already predicted in my previous video, so therefore I just shortly make this video for all of you to inform you, and just check out to my prediction is going right or not. Thanks for watching, refinance holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.